Today on Unboxed, we're going to be looking at the Bissell multi-surface brush swivel vacuum. It does wet and dry. You've got two settings, rug and hard floors. And I'll show you how good this thing works. It's got a cloth roller, you can see, right, and your water reservoir and your freshwater reservoir. The difference between the rug and the hard floor: rug puts more water down, hard floor puts less. So I'm going to go ahead and see that spill. Show you how good this thing works. And it is gone. And you can see all the dog hair. I sweep this room at least every other day. And I have a dog that sheds massively. So go ahead and clean this up. You see it's got pretty good suction. Fix it all up. Now usually when I run the vacuum, I have to empty the vacuum out like 2-3 times. But believe it or not, because this is wet, this will hold a lot. More here. You can see, you can put down this little, that's with the floor, and here's with the rug. You see a lot more water. And you could say this is the cat's room, but this is the animal room. That's the carpet, here's the floor. Okay, here are the parts taken apart, and you just have to pull this out, clean it. It comes apart and cleans very easily. Put it back together, and then it just goes right there. Now, if it doesn't go in, it's because this is not sitting in here right. Okay, that's better. And then there's that, and the roller, it comes off to clean, and just like this, and then this, it just sets back with the pins right there, and then we're all set to go for the next time.